The whistleblower says she discovered systemic safety problems with how vendors were handling vaccines at mobile vac sites and met with resistance when she brought it to the attention of her supervisors.
People may have received vaccines that were ineffective and were unaware. And when that happens, people may be acting out as if they are covered and could be exposing themselves to higher risks than they would have chosen to otherwise.
Clinician Jessica Ray used to oversee some of the mobile vaccination site operations for the Maryland Department of Health.
There were some, cultural challenges within the program where there was so much drive to push out the numbers and make sure we got to specific points in time.
She filed a complaint with the state and feds. In it, she singled out TrueCare 24. It's one of the companies hired by the state to run mobile vac sites. Jessica says she quickly noticed a number of red flags. She accuses TrueCare of storing vaccines in medical refrigerators in hotels and cars.
And discovered that even though they were medical grade, they were not adequate for overnight storage. They were not appropriate in hotel rooms because of other requirements such as backup power.
TrueCare didn't respond to our request for comment. The company held as many as 109 vaccine clinics, administering around 1,400 vaccinations. But Ray claims the vendor did not keep adequate records, so the exact number of those potentially impacted is not known.
We really needed to figure out as quickly as possible how many vaccines we could rely on.
Ray says TrueCare personnel were not adequately trained. In her complaint, she alleges vaccines were given in joint spaces. There were leaks, and sometimes a mixed series of Moderna and J&J were given.
The recommendation on our end clinically was to suspend the contract or terminate because we couldn't trust them at that point.
Ray says her bosses rejected her concerns and demoted her.
I am trying to complete another internal complaint just because I want to make sure I've checked every box. But I want to continue pursuing whatever means I can to improve the quality of our vaccines.
Health Department officials say they're taking this issue very seriously, and a review of the contractor's actions is currently underway. They also say that they're in the process of contacting everyone who may have been impacted. Reporting from the Health Department, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.
And you can stay up to date on where to get tested and vaccinated, all in the WBAL TV mobile app. Don't forget to turn on push alerts to get late-breaking COVID updates sent right to your phone.